All right, students, so now you're going to prepare for your interview. You've learned a little bit about what interview questions look like and how to give a good interview, and now we're going to talk about that a little bit more. So first, each of your interview questions, you need to go through this checklist. You do not want it to be a yes or no question, kind of like we talked about a bit this morning. It can't be a straightforward question like, what time did you get up yesterday? 11. Or, do you like pizza? No. Okay, so it cannot be a yes or no question, right? We want it to be in detail. Questions allow the person to talk at length about a topic. Same thing, right? And usually the questions are connected to a bigger theme, right? There's some examples up here about themes that you can use if you don't have any. Okay, so what are you going to do right now? You're going to simply go to your My StoryCorps interview. So remember, in classwork, this is from last week. You started on it, My StoryCorps interview. You're going to click on that, and you're going to fill out this entire thing. Okay, you're going to fill it out with 20 questions. If you're giving your interview in Spanish, it might be easier to write your questions in Spanish, right? So you do this top little part, just finish these sentences in English, and then you can write your questions in Spanish. If you want to write them in English and then translate to Spanish as you're interviewing, that's fine. If you're interviewing in English, that's also great. So your mastery check today is just to finish these 20 questions in this document. Remember, I'm going to go through it one more time just so you know. So you're going to go to Google Classroom. Last week it said My StoryCorps interview. You're going to click on that. You should have already started it. It will take you to a document like this, and your mastery check is to get this whole thing done either in English or Spanish. As you're writing these questions, make sure it meets this criteria listed here. Okay? Thank you so much for your hard work, and I can't wait to see your interviews from next class.